So this is so embarrassing. I'm gonna show y'all how I got this little hole in the screen that goes to my bathroom window. It's so embarrassing, y'all. And I'm going to replace the screen since now I have a hole. Don't want the bugs coming in, but that's kind of part of the story. It's embarrassing, so stick around. But first, let me tell you what I got to fix the screen. I got this kit off of Amazon. It's a screen that's folded up. I hope the creases come out of it. Oh, there's bugs. So I got the screen. I bought some spline because what they gave me is probably too big from Lowe's. I have the spline tool, and they gave me this little hook to pull the old spline out. See that? Little hook. But there's a hole. I don't know if y'all can see the hole. So let's get this old spline out first. Got the spline. You hook into it. Then you just pull. Just pull it out. It's easy enough. You hook it into the hole. It's old and dry rotted. And you just pull. So y'all, I was in my backyard one day, minding my business, tending to my garden, and I just needed to use the bathroom. So I go using the bathroom, sitting on the toilet, and I look down, and there's a wood bee right here. Oh my gosh, the scream that I screamed. I think my neighbors probably heard it. But what do you do when there's a big bumblebee sitting on your crotch while you're sitting on the toilet? So I sat there for a little bit, freaked out. Pulling the screen out. Taking the old screen out. But anyways, I sat there for a few, freaking out, trying to figure out what to do, and I shooed it, and it flew into my shower. So I got up, I finished my business, I wiped, I leave the bathroom, and I shut the door. And good thing my window was open, because when I went back maybe 20-30 minutes later, it was in between the glass and the screen. So I shut the window. I think I'm really smart. This screen is having a hard time coming out. It doesn't want to leave. Come out, screen, come out. Can't leave the old screen in there. It's like melted in there. Y'all see that? It's like fused in there. It needs to come out. Alright, so I got the rest of the screen out. And I need to cut a piece that'll fit. I still need to have enough to finish my other door over there. So I've got my screen, I've got some scissors, I've got photography clips because that's what I've got, and I've got the spline tool and spline. Two different sizes of spline. This fat spline might fit. I don't know. Let's see. Dropped it. I'm having a hard time, y'all. So you line it up. Make sure I got enough overhang. And I'm just gonna clip it on there. And I'm going to clip the two sides that I'm not going to cut. So I can kind of hold it in place. Alright, y'all. So I've got 3 sides cut. I don't have to cut this side till the end. Let's see if this fat spline will work. This one's fat. Might fit in that hole. We'll see. Where is the end? I'm going to start here and work my way around. And you just use the spline tool and push it in the groove. It's pretty easy. Push it in the groove. Y'all, I'm not an expert, but I'm somebody who is working on a small budget, and I don't want bugs in my house. And sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And this is fairly easy. I think if I can do this, anybody can do this. So I shut the window, and I was trying to figure out what to do. Didn't know exactly what to do. So I leave, I come back, and it's gone. It put that hole in my screen. It chewed its way out. So it was going to mess me up if I messed with it too much. I'm glad I didn't mess with it too much. And if to anybody says that those wood bees don't bite or sting or whatever, it ate through my screen. It made its way out. It said, I'm not staying here. Bye, y'all. See you later. Hasta luego. Y'all, I am almost finished with this screen. I just need to round this corner. And y'all, it's not perfect. Like, I'm trying. It's not perfect at all. Okay, so now I need to get my screen. Has little these, and it goes straight through. So now I got to do the piece right in the middle. And then I think I'll be finished with this one. We can put it back. Now hopefully I won't be letting any more bees into my bathroom, because that was a disaster. But I've learned a new skill. Look at that, just take your shears, go around. Cut all the excess off. Got all the excess, and I'm going to use my shears to push that spline down in the corners. Just tuck it nicely into those corners, because that spline tool does not do it. Now, I am not an expert. I'm just showing you what I do. And by the way, I'm Tamra. I'm a 47-year-old empty nester, single homeowner who's doing all this crap by myself, and I'm balling on a budget. So look at that. Brand new screen. Shouldn't let any bugs in. Let's go put it back inside. And just like that, it's like brand new. Hopefully I won't let any more bees in my bathroom. Come back and join me for more home projects.